Guys, say hi to the camera. Say hello.
Hi.
Now I'm gonna do a card trick using chicken nugget to find your card. And now it sounds ridiculous, right?
Chicken nugget.
Yeah. What does that say? That said chicken nugget. Yeah. Can you take a card for me? Just take one. Okay. Show it to the camera. Make sure I don't see it. Got it? To the
You guys
camera.
see it? Yeah.
Perfect. You like the card? Put it here. Watch closely. I'm gonna put the rest of the deck on top like this. Now I'm gonna eat one chicken nuggets. I'm gonna make it disappear. Wow, super dry. What? One card now looks different. Oh,
Wait, what?
see a chicken nugget on the card?
Wait.
Wait, hold your hand, hold both your hands. Look. That's your card, right? The queen?
Wait. What?
So wait, watch the queen.
What? How did you do that?